guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Storytime Marika. I have some packages here to unbox from Temu. But before we get into the unboxing and me showing you the products, I need you to head over to the Temu app. You don't have the app? Download the app right now. You could either use the link in my description down below, or you could just search Temu in the App Store or in Google Apps and you'll get the app. When you reach into the app and you sign up and you make your account and whatever, I need you to search DUDU 4848 and you will get huge discounts, huge savings. Just trust me. All of this costs less than $200. Let's get into it. So firstly, I got a 28-inch burgundy wig. Yes, of course I did. We'll get into the hair later, but this is it. It's the lace. Next, we have a 5-in-1 curling iron. So it came with 2 crocodile clips, a manual, heat glove to protect your hand while you're using it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different attachments. And then of course the iron itself that plugs in and then you just attach it. Next, we have like a child opening a Christmas gift on Christmas Day. We have a mannequin, blank mannequin canvas to pin the wigs on. So that, and it also comes with an adjustable stand so that you could hook it up. And then you hook it up onto something here. And then the last but not least, we have a blow dryer which comes with 3 different attachments. You have the comb, this to directly heat into one spot, and then of course the diffuser for my curls. Oh my goodness. Yes. Now let's try out all these products. So the blow dryer has 2 speeds, 1 and 2. It also has 3 different temperatures, so you can see it here. So you have like cool, then warm, then I guess hot. Yeah. And then the combs are pretty easy to attach. And you can just pull on here. You know. And then I'm so happy. And then the other 2. So this is to directly heat into one specific area when you're blowing out your hair. And then we know how to use a diffuser, right? As girls, you know, diffuse the hair and whatnot. So this is my blow dryer. I love it. This combo was only $27. Moving on to the mannequin and the hair. Let's get this centered. And secured with some T-pins. So this is how we're looking. Yes, baby. And this is a 28 inch. Who knew Temu sells good hair? Why you didn't tell me? Now this mannequin is going to be a game changer because unlike the one that I had previously, sorry, she's in a mess. These can actually be stuck with the T-pins. Her head, this, whatever material this cannot be stuck with the T-pins. So I was depending on the elastic bands on the wigs to hold it up. But with this, you could pluck easily. You could pull the hair and it's not gonna come off of the mannequin. This was only $11. This is the lace before I plucked it. Right, so this mannequin has changed the plucking game. It made it 10 times easier to pluck because I didn't have to keep adjusting the wig to the mannequin. And now we're going to install, yeah. While the meltdown is on, let's get to the star of the show. And if you don't know who is that, it's the 5-in-1 curler. Now we're gonna try out all 5 attachments and then we will choose which one is the best. Right, so according to the manual, it needs to be unplugged and then you screw in on the attachments here. This is the waver. This is the 1¼ inch barrel. This is the 1-inch barrel. This is the curling wand, and this is the straightener. Right, so it's pretty easy to attach. Unlock, lock, and you put it in, then you plug it in. Do not try to change the attachments, sorry, while it is plugged in, please. So on, and there's 2 heats, 1 and then 2. Seeing that is 4 different curlers and then 1 straightener, I'm going to separate my hair in 4 pieces and you're going to see how each one look side by side so that you know you're getting 4 different curls, and then we will choose one and style the whole wig with that one curl. Starting with a 1¼ inch barrel. I don't know if I'm using this correctly, but it is a very loose curl. Right? We unplug in. Ooh, it is hot. So you can change out one time. Or you can use a glove and change it out. Right? Yeah, you can. So that gave us very loose, very wavy. Now we're going on to the, what they call the waver. And this basically gives you crimps. These are the crimps. Then we move on to the wand. Ooh. And so none really stain because I didn't put hairspray because I don't want it to stay 4 different curls. When I'm actually styling, I'll put the hairspray and the curl will stay. But so far, the wand is my fave. Okay. The last one is the 1-inch barrel. Let's do this last one. This piece is way too big. It's not gonna curl properly. Let's do this last piece. And then we'll pick between this one and the curling one because I love that one. The curls are much tighter on that one. This one is more wavy. It's more wavy. So that's it. I'm settled on the curling one. Alright, I just straightening out these parts. Because that's where the crimp is. All the other curls drop already. Except where it was crimped. So yeah, Now we're gonna just style the whole head. I changed my mind. The straightener as a curler is my fave because the curls, listen, they will speak for themselves soon as you see them. But this one is my fave. This one is my fave above all. So this is number 1. The one is number 2. The 1 inch is number 3. The crimp is number 4, and then the 1 1/4 is number 5. You rank them. This side is really nice, and then this side needs a come over. So this is the hair, this is the lace. It is a transparent lace, but I was able to melt it pretty well. I don't really know how I feel about the color, to be honest, but let me know how you think it looks on me. And remember, I was able to get all of this plus this wig for under $200. Go shop right now. The links for all these products are in my description box below. Click the links, use the discount code, and shop Temu.